Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the 10 best G-Shock watches built to survive everything. Timepieces so indestructible they've become legendary among military personnel, first responders, construction workers, and anyone whose equipment faces abuse that would destroy typical watches instantly. G-Shock didn't just create tough watches, they revolutionized what watches could survive through designer Kikuo Ibei's vision of the triple 10 concept. 10-meter drop resistance, 10-bar water resistance, and 10-year battery life. Since 1983, G-Shock has proven that watches can survive being frozen solid, microwaved, run over by trucks, dropped from aircraft, submerged in corrosive salt water, and exposed to extreme temperatures that would kill Swiss luxury watches costing 50 times more. These aren't delicate mechanical movements requiring careful handling or precious timepieces too valuable for actual use. We're talking about watches you can wear during demolition work, combat operations, extreme sports, construction sites, and daily abuse without a second thought because they're literally designed to be indestructible. From the classic square that defined toughness to specialized models with environmental sensors for outdoor adventures, from solar-powered variants eliminating battery concerns to premium metal constructions, elevating G-Shock into fashion territory, from dive watches surviving crushing depths to tactical models trusted by special operations forces worldwide. This list showcases G-Shock's greatest achievements in creating truly indestructible timepieces. All links are in the description. Let's celebrate indestructible excellence. Number 10. G-Shock GBD H1000. G-Shock's most advanced fitness and training watch, combining legendary shock resistance with comprehensive health monitoring, GPS tracking, and solar charging, making it perfect for serious athletes who need indestructible durability plus smart features without smartwatch fragility or daily charging requirements. This watch proves that toughness and technology can coexist when properly engineered. The substantial resin case with carbon fiber reinforcement provides G-Shock's legendary shock resistance through the core guard structure that suspends the module in protective housing, absorbing impacts that would destroy typical fitness watches. The watch survives being dropped on concrete, thrown against walls, or crushed under equipment that would shatter smartwatches and traditional sports watches. The resin construction withstands temperature extremes from freezing cold to desert heat without cracking or degrading. What makes the GBD H1000 special is the combination of optical heart rate, sensor monitoring heart rate continuously during training, accelerometer tracking steps and movement patterns, GPS functionality recording routes and pace during runs without requiring smartphone connection, altimeter measuring elevation for hill training and hiking, compass providing navigation assistance, and thermometer monitoring environmental conditions. Tough solar charging means the watch powers indefinitely from any light source, including indoor lighting, eliminating the daily charging frustration plaguing smartwatches. The watch stores sufficient charge for months in darkness. Multiband 6 atomic timekeeping receives radio signals from 6 transmitters worldwide, ensuring accuracy. Bluetooth connectivity allows syncing training data to smartphone apps for analysis. Water resistance to 200 meters handles swimming and water sports. The digital display provides excellent visibility in bright sunlight. LED backlight ensures darkness readability. At approximately $400–500, the GBD H1000 delivers comprehensive training features in indestructible package, proving fitness tracking doesn't require fragile smartwatches when G-Shock applies their durability expertise to athletic training. Number 9. G-Shock DW5600. The classic digital king that started the revolution in 1983, maintaining virtually unchanged aesthetics for over 40 years because the proportions, ergonomics, and indestructibility were perfected from the beginning. This watch proves that iconic design transcends trends when execution is flawless. The compact square resin case provides the signature G-Shock aesthetic instantly recognizable worldwide, and the case design has appeared in countless films, on celebrities, military personnel, and working professionals who appreciate genuine toughness over luxury pretense. The shock-resistant structure suspends the module in protective resin, absorbing impacts from any angle. The watch survives drops from building heights, being run over by vehicles, frozen in ice blocks, microwaved, and abuse that becomes legend in G-Shock torture test videos. The mineral crystal window is recessed below the bezel, protecting it from impacts and scratches during daily wear. What makes the DW5600 legendary is the simplicity, focusing on essentials executed perfectly. Digital display showing time, date, and day with instant readability, EL backlight illuminating the display in darkness, stopwatch measuring elapsed time with 1/100th second precision, countdown timer for interval training or tactical timing, 5 daily alarms for medication or meeting reminders, and hourly time signal confirming operation. Water resistance to 200 meters, handles swimming, diving, and water sports without concern. Battery life extends approximately 2 years under normal use. The resin strap is comfortable, durable, and easily replaceable. Various color options and special editions provide personalization while maintaining the classic shape. At approximately $5,100, the DW5600 delivers legendary G-Shock toughness and iconic design at prices that make it accessible to everyone, proving that indestructible doesn't require expensive when Casio focuses on what matters, creating watches that simply refuse to break regardless of abuse. Number 8. G-Shock. GA100 analog digital G-Shock design at its most popular, combining traditional watch hands with the digital displays in a substantial package that creates bold wrist presence while maintaining legendary toughness, making it perfect for those wanting G-Shock durability with easier time reading than pure digital models. This watch proves that combining display types creates better usability when properly executed. The large 55mm case provides substantial presence that commands attention, while the resin construction keeps weight manageable for comfortable all-day wear. The case design features distinctive front button guards protecting against accidental activation during sports or work, and the overall aesthetic creates industrial toughness that photographs well and wears confidently. The shock-resistant structure maintains G-Shock's legendary protection through core guard design, suspending both the analog and digital modules. The watch survives drops, impacts, and abuse that would destroy hybrid watches from other manufacturers. The analog-digital display combines the intuitive readability of traditional watch hands, showing time at a glance, with digital windows displaying additional information including date, day, and various functions. This hybrid approach appeals to users who find pure digital displays less intuitive for quick time checks, while appreciating digital functionality for complications. Large hands ensure excellent legibility even during quick wrist glances. The digital display shows stopwatch, countdown timer, alarms, and world time. LED illumination lights both analog and digital elements simultaneously for darkness visibility. Water resistance to 200 meters, handles swimming and water sports. Magnetic resistance protects the movement from magnetic fields. Various color combinations, including military-inspired olive drab, tactical black, and bold accent colors, provide options appealing to different styles. At approximately $130, the GA100 delivers analog-digital versatility and bold design in indestructible package, proving hybrid displays create better daily wearers for those preferring traditional time reading with digital functionality. Number 7. G-Shock Frogman. G-Shock's premier dive watch line, specifically designed for professional diving and maritime operations, combining legendary shock resistance with ISO 6425 dive watch certification and comprehensive diving features, making it trusted by military combat divers and commercial diving professionals worldwide. This watch proves that G-Shock takes diving as seriously as toughness. The asymmetrical case design with buttons positioned for underwater operation creates distinctive frogman aesthetic beloved by enthusiasts, and the case construction provides both shock resistance through G-Shock's core guard structure and water resistance to 200 meters with ISO 6425 dive watch certification, ensuring compliance with international professional diving standards. Various Frogman generations offer different features, with recent models including depth gauge measuring actual dive depth, dive time recording duration underwater, dive log memory storing data from multiple dives for later review, tide graph displaying tidal information for dive planning, and moon data assisting with night diving operations. Multiband 6 atomic timekeeping receives radio signals from 6 transmitters worldwide, ensuring accuracy. Tough solar charging eliminates battery failures that could endanger divers mid-operation, with the watch storing sufficient charge for months in darkness. The digital display emphasizes underwater legibility with large digits and high contrast. LED backlight provides darkness visibility. The screw-down buttons and caseback ensure watertight integrity. The asymmetrical design prevents crown interference with wrist during diving. Various colorways, including classic navy, tactical black, and special editions, provide options. At approximately $921, the Frogman delivers professional dive capability with ISO certification and comprehensive diving features in indestructible G-Shock package, proving that serious diving doesn't require luxury dive watches when Casio applies G-Shock engineering to underwater operations. Number 6. G-Shock Mudmaster GG-B100 Series. The ultimate outdoor survival watch, combining legendary shock resistance with mud-resistant structure, protecting against dirt, sand, and debris infiltration, triple sensor technology for environmental monitoring, and solar charging, making it perfect for ground operations where dust and grit destroy typical watches. This watch proves that extreme environment durability requires specialized engineering. The substantial 55mm case features Mudmaster's distinctive mud-resistant structure using multiple gaskets and protective covers, preventing dirt, sand, and debris from entering the case or interfering with button operation, crucial for desert operations, construction work, farming, off-roading, or any activity in dusty, muddy environments where typical watches fail. The carbon core guard structure provides shock resistance while reducing weight through carbon fiber reinforcement. The watch survives being dropped in mud, buried in sand, covered in concrete dust, and exposure that would kill electronics and mechanical watches. Triple sensor technology provides digital compass for navigation, altimeter to barometer for weather monitoring and elevation tracking, and thermometer for temperature assessment. The sensors guide outdoor navigation and predict weather changes. Tough solar charging means the watch powers indefinitely from any light source and stores sufficient charge for 7 months in complete darkness. Multiband 6 atomic timekeeping ensures accuracy. Bluetooth connectivity allows smartphone pairing for easy function adjustment and additional features. The analog-digital display combines intuitive time reading with digital information. LED illumination ensures visibility. Water resistance to 200 meters handles water exposure. At approximately $350 to $450, the Mudmaster GG-B100 delivers mud-resistant construction and environmental sensors in indestructible package, proving that specialized extreme environment protection requires engineering expertise G-Shock has perfected through decades of torture testing. Number 5. G-Shock GW-M5610 Solar Radio Control. The classic square G-Shock evolved with modern technology, combining the iconic DW5600 design with tough solar charging and multiband 6 atomic timekeeping, creating the ultimate maintenance-free tough watch that never needs batteries or time adjustment. This watch proves that classic design becomes even better when enhanced with practical technology. The compact square resin case maintains the proportions and aesthetic that made G-Shock legendary, while incorporating solar panels behind the dial charging from any light source. The case construction provides legendary shock resistance through core guard structure. The watch survives the same abuse as the classic DW5600, including drops from extreme heights, being run over by vehicles frozen solid, and impacts that would destroy typical watches. What elevates the GW-M5610 above the classic model is tough solar charging, eliminating battery replacements forever with the watch storing sufficient charge for 10 months in complete darkness after full charge, and multiband 6 atomic timekeeping receiving radio signals from 6 transmitters worldwide, automatically adjusting to atomic clock precision. The watch knows which time zone it's in and adjusts accordingly, maintaining accuracy within 1 second perpetually. The digital display shows time, date, and day with excellent contrast. EL backlight illuminates in darkness. Stopwatch, countdown timer, 5 alarms, and hourly signal maintain classic G-Shock functionality. Water resistance to 200 meters handles swimming and diving. The negative display option creates tactical appearance, reducing light emission at night. The resin strap provides comfort and durability. At approximately $120 to $150, the GW-M5610 delivers solar charging and atomic timekeeping in classic G-Shock package, proving that technological advancement enhances rather than complicates iconic design when implementation focuses on practical benefits like eliminating batteries and maintaining perfect accuracy automatically. Number 4. G-Shock. GX56 series, the king, largest and most imposing model, delivering maximum shock resistance through oversized construction, solar charging, and bold aesthetics, creating ultimate tough watch for those wanting undeniable wrist presence. This watch proves that bigger means tougher when engineering supports the size. The massive 56mm case represents G-Shock's largest standard production model, creating substantial wrist presence that announces itself without subtlety. The oversized dimensions aren't just aesthetics, but functional engineering, providing maximum internal space for shock-resistant structure, suspending the module with extensive cushioning, absorbing impacts from any angle. The larger case allows more protective material between the module and external threats. The all-black blackout variant creates tactical stealth appearance, while special editions offer bold colors. Tough solar charging means the watch powers indefinitely from any light source, including tactical flashlights, and stores sufficient charge for 10 months in darkness. Multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping receives signals from 6 transmitters worldwide, ensuring accuracy. The digital display utilizes high-contrast LCD, ensuring excellent visibility in bright sunlight, challenge for many watches. LED backlight provides darkness illumination. World time covers 29 cities. 5 alarms, stopwatch, and countdown timer provide functionality. Moon data and tide graph assist with fishing and maritime activities. Water resistance to 200 meters handles water sports. Low temperature resistance to 20 degrees C ensures functionality during winter operations. The mud-resistant structure protects against dirt infiltration. At approximately 150/200, the GX56 King delivers maximum G-Shock toughness in oversized package, proving that extreme size creates extreme durability when engineering supports the dimensions, making it perfect for those wanting the toughest possible G-Shock without compromise or subtlety. Number 3. G-Shock GA2100 series. Casey Oak by enthusiasts has become a cultural phenomenon by combining the octagonal bezel design, referencing Audemars Piguet's Royal Oak, with G-Shock's legendary toughness in the slimmest G-Shock profile ever created at 11.8 mm. This watch proves that G-Shock can deliver fashion-forward design without compromising durability. The octagonal bezel creates instant Royal Oak association, giving this affordable G-Shock luxury watch aesthetics, while maintaining the shock resistance, water resistance, and durability that define G-Shock. The 45mm case provides presence, while the ultra-slim profile at 11.8 mm makes this the most wearable G-Shock for those finding traditional bulky G-Shocks too large for dress shirts or professional settings. The carbon core guard structure maintains shock resistance despite slim dimensions through carbon fiber reinforcement. The analog-digital display combines traditional watch hands for intuitive time reading with digital window showing date and additional functions. The minimalist dial design creates clean aesthetics that photograph beautifully and work with both casual and business casual attire. Various color options, including all black, military green, and special editions, provide personalization appealing to fashion-conscious buyers. What makes the Casey Oak extraordinary is its crossover appeal, attracting watch enthusiasts, fashion followers, and traditional G-Shock users simultaneously, creating massive demand and secondary market prices exceeding retail for popular variants. Water resistance to 200 meters maintains G-Shock standards. LED illumination provides visibility. Stopwatch, countdown timer, and alarms maintain functionality. At approximately $100-130 TL, the GA2100 Casey Oak delivers fashion-forward design in slimmest G-Shock profile with full shock resistance, proving that contemporary aesthetics and legendary toughness can coexist when Casio prioritizes both equally. Number 2. G-Shock GMW B5000 Full Metal. The premium evolution of the classic square G-Shock, combining the iconic design with full stainless steel or titanium construction, solar charging, atomic timekeeping, and Bluetooth connectivity, creating luxury G-Shock that maintains indestructibility while elevating aesthetics. This watch proves that G-Shock can compete in premium territory when they choose. The full metal case construction using stainless steel or titanium, depending on variant, provides weight, premium feel, and corrosion resistance, while the internal shock-resistant structure maintains G-Shock's legendary protection. The screwback case ensures water resistance integrity. The metal construction adds substantial weight compared to resin models but provides luxury feel and longevity. The case finishing utilizes polishing, creating mirror surfaces and overall premium appearance. Multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping receives signals from 6 transmitters worldwide, automatically adjusting to atomic clock precision. Tough solar charging means the watch powers indefinitely from any light source, storing charge for months in darkness. Bluetooth connectivity allows smartphone pairing for easy function adjustment and additional features including phone finder. The digital display maintains classic G-Shock layout. LED backlight provides visibility. World time covers 31 cities. Stopwatch countdown timer, 5 alarms, and full auto calendar provide comprehensive functionality. Water resistance to 200 meters maintains G-Shock standards. The metal bracelet showcases quality construction with solid links and secure clasp. Various finishes including silver, gold tone, and aged metal create options. At approximately $500–$2,500 depending on materials, the GMW B5000 Full Metal delivers premium G-Shock with metal construction and comprehensive features, proving that legendary toughness can wear luxury aesthetics when Casio elevates materials and finishing while maintaining shock resistance that defines G-Shock. Number 1. G-Shock GW9400. Rangeman, the ultimate survival watch combining legendary shock resistance with triple sensor technology for environmental monitoring, solar charging eliminating battery concerns, and tactical design trusted by military special operations forces worldwide. This watch proves that comprehensive capability and extreme durability create the ultimate tool watch. The substantial 55mm case with mud-resistant structure protects all buttons and openings through multiple gaskets, preventing dirt, sand, and debris infiltration that disables other watches in harsh environments. The shock-resistant construction survives drops, impacts, and abuse that would destroy typical watches and electronics. Triple sensor technology provides digital compass with bearing memory for land navigation, altimeter measuring elevation for mountain operations and parachute jumps, and barometer predicting weather changes affecting operations. Temperature readings assist environmental assessment. Tough solar charging means the watch powers indefinitely from any light source and stores sufficient charge for 7 months in complete darkness, eliminating battery failures during extended missions behind enemy lines. Multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping receives signals from 6 transmitters worldwide, ensuring accuracy. Low temperature resistance to 10 degrees C ensures functionality during Arctic warfare. The negative display provides tactical advantage, reducing light emission at night, crucial for maintaining operational security. Sunrise/sunset times aid mission planning. World time, stopwatch, countdown timer, and 5 alarms provide comprehensive functionality. Water resistance to 200 meters handles maritime operations. What makes the Rangeman our number 1 pick is the combination of environmental sensors providing mission-critical data, solar charging eliminating operational failures, mud resistance surviving extreme conditions, and proven reliability with special operations forces worldwide. At approximately $300–$400, the Rangeman delivers ultimate survival capability, proving it's the best G-Shock built to survive absolutely everything.